Hey everyone, this is Ian with Ural of New England and AlphaCars. Today I've got this brand new Ural gear up in front of us, and you may be wondering, why is it turned around? Well, we're going to be taking a look at an accessory that's installed on it, and it's this trailer hitch assembly that Ural makes. And in this video, we're just going to take a quick look at that, at the high quality construction, how it mounts on the bike, and talk about the some of the fitment notes of it as well. This is available on our e-store, so it will be linked in this video and in the description, and we can ship it right to your door. So definitely take a look there if you're interested in this trailer hitch. So now let's take a closer look. First, what I'll cover is this is very, very high quality. It's really over-engineered. All of the clamps and stainless steel hardware are very high grade, and all the welds are very nice. The black powder coating is very thick and durable as well, which will ensure a very long-lasting product. Talking about some fitment notes, this fits 2008 and newer Urals with 19-inch wheels, one or two-wheel drive models, but however, it does not fit Urals with 18-inch wheels, and it does not fit the retro model Urals. This comes with a European-style trailer plug, so if you're in the US and you want to use the plug for your trailer wiring, then definitely you'll just need an adapter for the European style to the US style, which we do sell on our e-store as well, and it is linked in the same listing as this trailer hitch, so it's very easy to find if you want to go down that route. And taking a look at our wiring, we can see it's just running along the hitch. And then if I get a better camera angle for you here, we can see it runs up and in to this, behind this panel here. You can kind of see it run up there. Very thick shielding on the wire, very thick rubber. So it's going to ensure, abrasion and things like that aren't going to damage it over time. And it is a plug and play installation, literally plug and play. Right behind this cover, there's just a factory harness that you unplug, and then you plug this new harness right into that. It's super easy, and I mean it should be, because Ural did design this hitch, so obviously with them having designed the bike itself, they're going to make it the easiest plug and play installation possible. So that is a perk with this hitch, as it just bolts right on very easily. As I mentioned, it is really over-engineered with all of these heavy-duty clamps and hardware. We can see this clamp and this clamp securing it to the sidecar frame. And I will mention this is only a ball style hitch for towing. There's no way to, there's no like receiver end to put like attachments in this, so just be aware of that. And I do just want to mention, it is stated in our listing, if you tow with your Ural, although you can, and they are very good at it depending on what little trailer you're towing, it does void the factory warranty, so just keep that in mind. And now I've got the parts laid out on my table as you get them out of the box. I did talk a little bit about the high quality construction, the powder coating, the welds. I figured I'll just show you that off the bike, right on the product, so I can hold it up close to the camera and kind of talk about it for a couple minutes. So first we'll take a look at this component. We can see just everything is very high quality, very thick. The gauge of steel is very thick, so it's really up to the task as it was designed. You can just see how nice the welds are. The powder coating, as I spoke of earlier. Powder coating is very, very nice, very durable and thick. There's no kind of thin spots you might see or even high spots. It's just like a nice even finish. So I'm pretty impressed by that. And now picking up our main component here, it barely fits on the table. So I'm trying to show you this as best as I can. But just checking out that construction, very, very nice. The grade of hardware is very high. It is 8.8, I believe, as you can probably read on there. And it's all stainless steel, of course. So now putting this back down, It does have a little bit of weight to it. And then on this side over here, we have, of course, the ball on it and the plate welded on for our wiring, which now I'll get to that. The wiring, very high quality. This is the European style connector. So I will flip this open and show you. It's the European style there. And then we have the waterproof connections here with the little gaskets and everything. Very high quality, thick wiring, as it would be on a factory harness, because this of course is made by Ural. So just plugs it into the factory harness. It just kind of intercepts the harness there. Very smart, very easy design to install. Of course, I'm throwing bolts around here and taking a look at the bolts that even just bolt the little plug here to our plate. Even these are high quality and stainless steel, and you can see they're locking. They have locking nuts on them as well. So really, Ural just went out of their way to use all very high quality components in areas that you may argue you didn't really have to. And I will show you our European to American style trailer harness connector. So obviously this end would plug right into the European style harness that this comes with, and then you can plug your US spec trailer wiring right into it. But just checking out the gauge of those wires, this thing is just built really well, going to be watertight and be very durable with all the thick shielding on it. And that is available on our e-store as well. That'll be linked in this video with this product. So now that we're familiar with the parts to this kit, let's find out where we can buy them from. Here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward and modern layout. At the top of our listing here, we have current pricing, this being accurate at the time of filming. Then below there we have our reviews, so if we click on this, it'll bring us to our review panel. As we can clearly see, people really like this hitch. We always get great feedback from our customers who install these. And then a feature that we're proud to offer just below is the ability to add the labor cost in with the product cost. So you get the full installation cost just by clicking this button. So this is a very convenient and time-saving feature when trying to figure out all the costs involved with a particular product, and little to no other online retailers offer this function. So as I said, you just check that box and you've got your full cost there, kind of out the door, so to speak. And of course, just make sure to select the correct model, whether you have a one-wheel drive or a two-wheel drive Ural. Now we'll move to the photo gallery. We can see some very high resolution and clear photos showing us all the different kind of angles and such of it installed on a gear up here. And if I skip over faster, we even have some close-ups of the parts themselves, as you just saw in this video. And now we have a detailed description which highlights the product's features, specifications, vehicle fitment notes, and any installation instructions that are available. So now that you're familiar with the product and where to get it, I'll give some final comments. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new about this trailer hitch. It is available on our e-store. We can ship it right to your door all around the world. So definitely check that out. It'll be linked in this video and in the description. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss the latest and greatest cars, bikes, and accessories we have to offer here at AlphaCars. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location, and until next time.